Today, we're going to talk about something that I've regularly heard is a pet peeve of people who are trying to plan their wedding. Vendors who don't put their pricing on their websites. If you've been asking yourself why that is, then keep watching because we're going to share with you the 3 main reasons why. Welcome back, everyone. If you don't already know my smiling face, I'm Leanne from You Name It Events, here with Newlyweds TV and a new video to share with you to help you plan your wedding. If you're new to our channel and haven't done so yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss a new video from us every single week. We're here to help make planning your wedding process easy, clear, and fun. So let's get down to it. Why don't some vendors put pricing on their websites? Are they trying to be annoying? Are they trying to trick you? How come they just don't make it easy for you? Well, there are a few main reasons, and they don't need to be a secret. So here goes. 1, they want the chance to talk to you before you make a decision about their services. Lots of people make quick decisions solely based on pricing when it comes to choosing their wedding vendors. And as a wedding planner myself, I can say that I spend a lot of time trying to educate clients on what's most important when hiring their vendors. And truly, one of the biggest things we try to help people understand is that if you make all of your hiring decisions solely based on who has the lowest pricing, you will likely end up very unhappy with the result. Lots of wedding vendors feel confident in what they offer, and they want the chance to show you their real value and what sets them apart from others before you move on. 2, their pricing depends on some variables of your event. Even though most weddings do have a similar format, there are some big variations that go along with some of the decisions you'll make along the way. Is your wedding indoors or outside? Do you have 30 guests or 300? Are you planning for everything at one location or do you have multiple spots? Often, there's a good deal of information a vendor needs before they can confirm the specific pricing that applies to your event. So instead of trying to put lots of confusing package options on a website and just hoping potential clients can figure it out themselves, they opt for trying to connect with you directly first. 3, their pricing involves items that can change in price. For example, the price of flowers can vary greatly from year to year, and even the price of beef isn't always the same. The vast changes we've seen this year on the prices of consumer goods caused by a pandemic or a giant container ship getting stuck in a canal can affect things your vendors need to get you for your wedding. So they want to have a solid idea of your plans and needs before putting any pricing down in writing. This typically means they need a phone call or a Zoom call with you to be able to confirm your pricing. Also, if your wedding is a long way off, it might mean that you see a proposal that shows a possible increase in pricing if market costs jump up significantly higher. We see this occasionally with floral and catering services specifically. So there you have it, the main reasons some vendors don't put pricing on their websites. If this video was helpful to you, you should definitely also check out the video linked on screen now, which will teach you all about the best kept secret for wedding planning. Happy planning!